saw this part. I hit it on this side. And that's when I saw this amazing bivalve fossil. So excited to this up close. Yes, it truly is remarkable how the fossil record provides us with a window into the past, allowing us to glimpse the ancient world and the creatures that once inhabited it. The Cretaceous period, which occurred approximately 145 to 66 million years ago, was a time of great biological diversity. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content here at Ben Finds. And please help me grow my channel. Luck and prosperity will come to you.